The biggest mistake that I find you traders making, okay, that are new or struggling has to do with size. And then when I talk to somebody, it's almost mind-boggling, okay? It truly, truly is. If my range is to risk $100, where do I need to be? I'm gonna take 75 shares of this. Why? Because I actually want to give it through 110. I don't want to put my stop right at 110. I know lower days here, I'm gonna put my stop at 109.90. I'll take 80 shares, right? And what am I looking at right here? I'm not saying it's a valid trade, by the way. I'm looking for 111. I'm gonna sell it right into this VWAP push. This is what you guys are doing. I'm telling you guys, if I feel like you're lying to me if you guys don't tell me you do this all the time. All right, here you go. Man, look at this one. I'm only risking $1 instead of 80 shares today. I could risk $300 on this one. Look at this, 200. I'm up 250 on the day. I'll risk my day on it or something. Man, this looks so juicy. I'm taking 200 shares today of this. Man, look at that. If it goes up to 13, $2 is $400. I'm risking 200. It's a 2-to-1 trade. I could do this, right? How many of you guys have done that? Highland, any of these names you're trading. And what you do is you size yourself up because of what? My risk is so small. Why not? I mean, and you automatically in your mind decide that this is the trade that you can't be wrong on. So I'm going to go out of my risk profile that I've taken all the time to develop, both personally, my family, everything. Everything's on the line here. And I'm going to size up right here because this is so juicy. God forbid I add in the daily and it's off the 200 day. Holy crud. I'm fully in. You know what? I'm going to mortgage the house, put it in there. Everybody sizes up higher, low, higher, low. Give me the reason to size up. Guys, sizing up on a conviction trade isn't going from 80 or 90 shares, which is my pocket, to 400 shares or 500 shares and tightening your stop. The stop is the stop, your trade plan, which is going to be under 1990. I'm going to take off or on 110, whatever you want to say. And my target's going to be a push in a VWAP. Maybe take some off here, maybe here, whatever it is. Your conviction of a trade doesn't change the chart. And what I mean by that is it doesn't make you go, well, I'm going to take 500 shares and I'm going to stop some of it out under 110.70. How many of you guys done that one? I could take more and just tighten my stop. And then you see this happen. And I'm doing this because I know I'm 100% sure this happens to a ton of people. You're watching this trade happen, right? Here we go. It's going in. You know what? I'm going to size in. Oh my God, I'm taking 500. I could do it. I know. Your hands get sweaty, your armpits get sweaty. You go, you know what? I'm just going to risk it off this lows though, because 50 cents is $250. It's still a big loss, but at least it's not as bad. And then the stock goes like this. Woo, market pulls, you get stopped out. It holds its previous low at 1030 or 1020. And later on you look at it and sitting at 113 or 113.50. That happen to anybody? And what did you do? You sized into a trade to adjust your plan. That's ridiculous, guys. You're not trading the chart. You're trading your P&L and your size.